Good morning, students. How are you all? Today's our subject is maths. Okay, take out these books. Building blocks, a fun way to learn numeracy skills. That means maths. Have you all take out this book from your bag? Okay, good, great. Now open page number 4. Okay, this is page number 4. We can see here page 4. So, this is our classwork activity. So, write down CW on this page. Okay, have you write this CW? Fine. Okay, now what is our question? Two pictures are of the same size in every set. Circle them. So we can see here few sets of pictures. Out of this set, two things are same. Okay, and we have to circle the same size pictures. Understood? Okay, now here we can see few cakes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cakes. Out of that, we can find out which two cakes are same. See, we can see this cake and this cake is same. So we have to circle this cake and now the same is this one. So circle this cake. Okay, have you done with this? The same cake you have to circle. Done this? Okay. Now we can see our next pictures are school bags. Okay, we can see few school bags here. So now pick out the which one are same. So here we can say this one is different from these three. Okay, this is same and this is same. So for these two school bags we have to circle because these are the same size. So take out the pencil and circle this bag. Okay, and this one is same. So circle this bag also. Fine, done with your activity. Now next we can see few lotus, few flowers here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of that, two flowers are same. So we can see which two are same. Can we find out which two are same? Yes, this one and this one. These both are same in size, same in color, everything is same. So we can circle these two lotus. So circle this one and then this one. Okay, finish. Done with this? Okay, now we can see some quotes in this picture. See, out of this, which two are same quotes we can find which one are same. This and this one is same, right? So we have to circle these two quotes. So circle this one and then this one. Okay, have you all done with this page? So here what we did today, we have circled the same two things, like same, these two cakes are same, these two bags are same, then again these two lotus are same, after that these two quotes are same. Okay, now go to the next page. Okay, now we can go to the page number 5. You can see page 5. Here there is one question for you. So draw one balloon in the air. Here we can see one tree. Okay, and few oranges are there on that tree. So what is our question? Draw one balloon in the air. So this is the air, correct? So you have to draw one balloon here. Okay, and color it. And what is the next one? Draw 3 balls on the ground. This is a ground. Okay. So here you have to draw 3 balls. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now next question is, there are how many oranges on the tree? So you can count these oranges and write down the number here. This is your homework activity. HW, write HW here. And you have to draw one balloon here, 3 balls here, and color the balloon, color the balls, and after that count these oranges and write the number here. Okay, understood? This is your homework part. You have to complete your homework today itself. Okay, now come to the next page. Our next page is page number 6. You can see here page number 6. So this is our CW part. Okay, classwork part. We can see big and small concept here. So for this we can go for few examples. Okay, I will show you what is big and what is small. Big matlab bada and small matlab chota. So here are few examples. You can see this is a duck. What is this? This is a duck. And this is a duckling. So in these two pictures, what we can see, this one is big and this is small. Big, bada, small, chota. Big and small. Okay. Now we'll take the another example. Here we can see 2 rings. Okay, 1 ring and 2 ring. So this is a big ring and this is a small. This one is a small ring. This is a big ring. So we can say big. Big means bada. Small. Small means chota. Big and small. Okay. Understood? Now we will take the another example. So here we can see one car. Have you seen this car? Okay. Very nice. Now this is a car and this is a small car. Chota wala car. So we can see big car and small car. Big and small. Okay, fine. Now we'll go to the another example, that is ball. We can see here 2 balls. Okay, 1 ball, 2 ball. This one is big, this one is small. We can say big ball, small ball. Okay, understood the concept big and small? Likewise, you can collect few things which is available at your home and differentiate big and small concept to your parents. Okay, this is your today's activity. Now we'll come to the point. This is page number 6, big and small. So our question is, pick the big animal in each set. So here is one set of picture. Okay, in this picture we can see elephant and monkey. So tell me which is a big animal, elephant or monkey? Okay, guess which is a big animal. Who can tell me? Okay, this animal, this is an elephant. Elephant is big, then monkey. So we have to take here. Okay, everyone can take out your pencil and tick the big animal because elephant is bigger than monkey. Okay, have you done with this? Okay, now come to the next picture. Here we can see one tortoise and tiger. So guess which one is big? Tell me which one is big? Tiger is big or tortoise is big? Correct. Tiger is big. So here we have to tick tiger because this is a big animal. Okay. Have you done with this? Okay, now come to the next. Now, here our question is different. Like, tick the small animal in each set. अभी इसमें से जो small animal है, छोटा animal है, उसको हमको tick करना है. Understood? Here we can see one octopus and fish. So, tell me which one is small? Octopus small है या fish small है? Correct, fish. So fish is small. So we have to take fish. Tick here. Okay. You are done with this? Fine. Now come to the next picture. Here we can see one ship. And we can see one snail. Snail is small. Ship is big. So tell me which one is big? Ship is big. And we have to take small one. So snail is small. So कहाँ पे टिक करना है? स्नेल को टिक करना है because it is small. So tick snail. Because why? Because it is small animal. Okay. Now come to the next page. Page number 7. Okay. What we can see in this picture, guys? Can anyone tell me? See, these are so many trees. Some animals we can see in these pictures. Okay. So there is one jungle and we can see here one giraffe. This is one giraffe. Correct? With the long neck. Giraffe has a long neck. Okay. Now we can see here one peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Now here what we can see, we can see here one goat. Okay. And here a small squirrel. Okay. These 4 animals we can see in this picture. Understood? Giraffe, peacock, goat and squirrel. Okay. So what is our question? Our question is circle the name of the animal which a long tail. Long tail मतलब क्या? किसका लंबा tail? किसका पूंछ लंबा होता है? They have given us 2 options. Goat and squirrel. Out of that, see here, goat and squirrel. Out of these 2 animals, which animal have a long tail? See this one, squirrel, correct? So we can pick the squirrel. Which animals have a long tail? It's a squirrel. Okay, done with this? Okay. Our next question is circle the name of the animal with short legs. Short legs मतलब क्या? जिसके छोटे पैर है. किस एनिमल के छोटे पैर है? आउट ऑफ दिस 2, पीकॉक और जिराफ. अभी आप पीकॉक देख रहे हो, पीकॉक के लेग्स एंड जिराफ के लेग्स. सो कौन से एनिमल के लेग्स शॉर्ट है, छोटे है? So we can see here, peacock के legs छोटे हैं, correct? जिराफ के legs तो बहुत लंबे हैं. It is very long compared to peacock. So circle the name of the animal with short legs. तो short legs किसके आएंगे? peacock के. Okay? So यहाँ पे circle करना है squirrel को and then circle to peacock. Okay? Have you done with this activity? Okay. Now what? What is your today's homework? Okay. Take one maths book. That is your notebook. Take out this notebook. Square line book. Okay. So take one square line book. Here what you have to do, this is your homework part. Okay, you have to write 1 to 50 numbers here. Okay, so how you will write here? As you know, in LKG you did it like tens and ones. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको tens and ones निकालना है. Again here tens and ones. Leave one line here. Okay, after that tens and ones. Again leave one line here, then tens and ones. Okay, again leave one line here, tens and ones. So, and again leave one line here and tens and ones. Okay, okay, done with this? Now what we have to do here on this page, we have to write 1 to 50 numbers. So here under ones we have to write 1. Okay. After 1 what will come? Leave one box and then write 2. Touch the line and write the numbers. Don't write over the line. लाइन के ऊपर टच करके नंबर्स लिखना है. ओके, 1 के बाद लीव 1 बॉक्स, then 2, then again leave 1 box, then write 3, then again leave 1 box, 4, leave 1 box, 5, leave 1 box, 6, leave 1 box, 7, leave 1 box, 8, leave 1 box, 9, and then leave 1 box. We have to write here 10. But how to write 10? Under 10's column we'll write 1 here, and after, below the 1's line we will have to write 0 here. 1 0 10. Understood? Likewise the same things continue here. 1 1 11. So here under 10's column come 1, and under 1's it comes 1 again. 11. 1 1 11. Then again leave 1 box and then write 1 to 12. Understood all? Like this we have to write 1 to 50 numbers, and this is your homework part. So complete your homework today itself. So we have this page homework, maths. Then again in LS book, in NS book we have page number 5 as a homework. So total 2-page homework will be there, and you have to finish this 2-page homework today itself and send me the pictures. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.